Baba, well, they do small. Because na small thing dey vex single people this period. Now for us and one guy they tell me, he say tomorrow may nobody go and touch me or blood will flow. But I say, guy, yeah, I just say, man, I let you know. If you see another guy post your babe tomorrow, don't worry, relax, she will be back. She went for posting. Tomorrow, wow! 10 guys must post one babe. And that's why I love the ladies so much. Ladies get sense who, you know, say girl fit post boy tomorrow night, go use sticker cover his face, write big head. Na lie, oh yeah, no big. Inside that relationship, another related inside. Girls, fear them. But they talk about unique girls. Boys so not still good though. Now know there are single boys there now tomorrow, and so the other are shower. Hey, bad on a thing idea of love. I don't have any problem with you ordering a shower on your business. But why you the other shower on your ass? You still they use church as landmark to describe your ass. What you yeah, they call a shower. Hello, you don't reach winners. You are confronted by your left, you see one Catholic church. Follow that. You see where that Christ embassy dey? Follow one slim road where you see mountain on fire. Wait for me for that signboard where they write Jesus is coming very soon. Like God, even devil self was shocked. How big that do this? Thank you very much. Baba. And I say, girl, you dey here, now only you want dey here. You self don't try, just buy one drink, they drink with my brother. But if you know sabi take alcohol, still relax more. Because now for back, I see one guy don't drink, the guy just complain. Say now what for Airtel network? This morning I just try to do bank transfer, it just show insufficient funds. But that one even good. One way it works part now, if you and your guy now you drink, two of them are called drunk. You know say nobody will feel help each other. Now for club, there I see two drunk men, they come outside. They're okay. One want to open his car, now the other say, hey, wait. I'll drive, you don't drunk. Now the other one say that true, you drive, more not go get accident. Yeah, for sure. Now when two of them enter back seat, one say, fuck, they don't thief our steering.